Welcome to the Hadley Valley Mitigation Preserve. This is a Will County Forest Preserve site that V3 has been a part of for about 7 years. The total mitigation complex that V3's been responsible for is about 500 acres. It includes Hadley Valley East, Hadley Valley West, Hadley Valley Central, and a portion of Messenger Woods as well. That all interlinks to create an entire greenway. In fact, this greenway was recognized, the Will County Forest Preserve was recognized for a National Planning Award for the work that went into this. V3 very specifically did the water resources and floodplain and stream redesign for this, and then assisted with the mitigation design for all the wetlands. Immediately behind me, this is an area that is a historic location of the creek, Spring Creek, through this area. The creek actually meandered, and in the agricultural fields was not straightened through this area. So we were able to look at a historic bend, channel, and sinuosity of the creek. We also used this area as a reference reach for design of other sections, and we were able to maintain this zone and actually bring the water through it to preserve this area. We have some very high quality forested wetlands around this, and then we do also reconnect into a zone where we decided to remeander portions as well. So in this area we have some very unique habitats and ecosystems that we are able to preserve and enhance through the mitigation process. As part of the design process, V3 also assisted in designing the trail and the overlook locations, and we assisted with a sub-consultant that put together the specialty signs that are located at numerous locations along the trail system and provide educational opportunities for the people that are walking on the trail. This is a great location for an overlook. We're looking towards the creek, and we also have behind us a really nice forested wetland community all associated with this one area. So we've moved a little further west in the Hadley Valley area, and this is a good zone to look at what we've done with remeandering the creek. Where we stand on this bridge, directly into a set of trees that we'll see in just a little while, this ditch used to run straight in order to improve the agricultural row crop that occurred on this property before we became involved. When we brought our expertise into the site, we looked at the old historic aerials and evaluated some reference reaches for this creek and looked at how would we put it back to place in an area that it used to be and in a shape that it would like to be in again. And so we actually in this area bent the creek away from the existing straightened channel to the south and worked it through the prairie zones and restored more of a natural floodplain and associated wetland and prairie communities and habitats within this zone. So we've moved down to the stream channel itself to take a little look at the micro topographical features that we've incorporated into this and some of the habitat features. We put meandering obviously back into the channel, but we also then included riffles, some backwater eddy areas, and we're standing right next to one of the floodplain shelves that were built into the actual stream itself to give more habitat diversity within the stream and the aquatic zone, actually for improved fisheries and micro or macro invertebrates as well.